by practicing gratitude as you already have what you desire, you shift from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance. You open your heart and mind to the endless possibilities and prepare yourself to receive gracefully. This process of being grateful in advance magnifies your ability to attract what you seek, acting as a magnet for your aspirations and dreams. In this session, as you affirm your gratitude for the abundance flowing into your life, remember that you're not just hoping for a future blessing. You are actively participating in creating the reality you desire. Let's begin. I am grateful because all my debt is paid in full. I am so thankful because I am happier than I have ever been. I am filled with gratitude because I have found the love of my life. I am deeply thankful for the incredible health and vitality I enjoy every day. I am grateful because my dream job offers me fulfillment and joy. I am so thankful because my relationships are stronger and more meaningful than ever. I am filled with gratitude as my creative talents are recognized and celebrated. I am deeply thankful for the peace and serenity that fill my home. I am grateful because every day I wake up excited to live my best life. I am so thankful because I am financially abundant, allowing me to live freely and generously. I am filled with gratitude as my body is strong, healthy, and capable. I am deeply thankful for the endless opportunities that effortlessly come my way. I am grateful because I am making a significant positive impact on the world. I am so thankful because I have achieved all my goals and set new ones. I am filled with gratitude as I travel to beautiful places and experience diverse cultures. I am deeply thankful for the unwavering support and love from my friends and family. I am grateful because I have real friends. I am so thankful because I have a deep and restorative sleep every night. I am filled with gratitude as my life is full of laughter, joy, and happiness. I am deeply thankful for the wisdom and strength I've gained through my experiences. I am grateful because I effortlessly express my true self and feel accepted and loved. I am so thankful because I am surrounded by beauty and inspiration daily. I am filled with gratitude as I have the freedom to pursue my passions and dreams. I am deeply thankful for the safety, security, and stability in my life. I am grateful because I am continuously growing spiritually and emotionally. I am so thankful because my life is a reflection of the love and kindness I give out. I am filled with gratitude as my professional life is thriving and expanding in amazing ways. I am deeply thankful for the abundance of love, happiness, and prosperity in my life. I am grateful because my heart is open and I receive love in many forms. I am so thankful because every moment is an opportunity to appreciate life's beauty. I am filled with gratitude as I live each day with purpose and passion. I am deeply thankful for the harmonious relationships I have cultivated in my life. I am grateful because my inner peace is unshakable, regardless of external circumstances.